Okay, in this video I'm going to go over how to add a vendor to our system. So once you're in Eagle Browser, you type in MVR and hit enter. It's going to pop up a screen called Vendor Maintenance. And at this point you can look up vendors in here as well, but in this course we're going to actually add a vendor. So you're going to type in the vendor name. So in this case we're going to use the vendor name of Preston Bullock. So you start putting in the first few letters there, and then sort name, start listing out the company name there until it stops, and then now you put the full customer name here, not customer, but vendor name. Okay, and then you would put the address in here. And then the city, state, zip code, any phone numbers we have, enter those in there as well. Contact would be if we have a point of contact person, you put that name there. And if we have a customer number, you put that in there. Once you're finished with that, you hit the add button and you'll see the record has been added on the bottom of the screen. The only other thing that you can put in here that is sometimes important, you go to contacts, you hit add. If there's a specific contact that we contact there, you put their name, their specific email address in here, and just hit OK. And once that's filled in, it'll automatically add it to the list here. So again, that's just filling out this information here, and then click the add button, and that's it.